Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you HK8 Pro Max. This is Chinese made Apple Watch Ultra. So today I'm going to tear down this watch. So as you can see, it has like 4 screws on the back. Let's try to tear it down. First, we have to remove 4 screws. I'm gonna use this two. Oh no, wrong size. This one. Let's see. Shit, wrong size. Oops, it seems like it has smaller screw, so I don't have it. Maybe let's try this one. Oops, shit. What about this one? Let's see. Okay, it works. Okay, we have one. We have 2. We have 3. And the last one, it has like a warranty stickers. A sticker right here. I remove it and then screw it down. Alright. Now as you can see, it's the actual screw on HK8 Pro Max right here. But now we have to remove the glass back. So I'm gonna use like a sharp tool, something like that. I have my Gaver EOD tool. Okay. Shit, it's hard. It's hard to remove the glass back. Alright, okay. Okay, I can do this. Oh, wow. Not too hard. Okay, I think it works. So let's see what's inside. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Wow. So you're gonna see this one. This piece is glass back. Wow. So this one is wireless charger. And these are sensors. Okay, I try to disconnect. Oh, everything's so messy. I don't know how to remove it, but I try to disconnect the battery, but I have to find out where it is. So this one is crown control, and there's no battery connector. Oh, I see the socket right here. Okay, I have removed it for this one. Okay, what next? All right, now I see the battery connector right here. Right here. Okay, this one is battery connector right here. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect. Okay, I already disconnect this. Oh my gosh, everything is so messy. Okay, I disconnect the crown. Okay. So if you look at the part, the internal part here, we have a coin right here. The crown right here, I already disconnected. Okay. Seems like it has like stickers. Okay, and then oh shit! What the fuck? Okay. Oh, the battery is. It doesn't have a connector. I think you cannot disconnect the battery. All right. I think I have to cut it. It seems like, look at this. This is all internal part here. Interesting. But if you look around, there's no water resistant seal. It's had only this one. This one, it's a seal. Wow. So I try to disconnect the battery, but oh my god. Okay. Okay, now we can take the other battery out of the watch. Okay. Oops. Okay. As you can see, the internal part right here, the battery, it says 300 milliamp. Right. Look inside the internal part. This is your screen, AMOLED screen. The cat is like aluminum or maybe alloy, not actual aluminum. So I think I have to disconnect the battery first. Oh my god. battery is disconnected. Okay. This one is sensors. This one. Alright. I cannot take down the screen, but I'll try to. Okay, I can pull it out like this. Wow, this is the screen. Oh, look at this. The screen, AMOLED screen. It has like a water resistant seal, like a silicone or something. But the screen is so thick. Look at this. Is this like a Gorilla Glass or sapphire? But it's not actual sapphire. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Wow. So this is the whole CPU. The whole mainboard is right here. Wow. Look at the crowd over here. Let's see. You cannot remove the crown. Okay, the crown right here. Shit. So it doesn't have like the actual seal on the crown. It has only tiny rubber band here, but I think it doesn't fit the hole right here. It doesn't fit, so you cannot wear this when you take a shower because it doesn't have seal right here. It have only two seals right here. So HK8 Pro Max, it doesn't work if you want to use this as an activity tracker because it doesn't have water resistant. So this is what inside the HK8 Pro Max. Thank you for watching.